Hi there, Elen Diaz. Today we are going to do a recipe here in the kitchen, and we are going to prepare egg in a basket. Maybe you have already watched the class all in Portuguese. You have your egg in a basket. Ok? Tudo bem? Então vamos lá. And as I told you, it's very important to challenge the mind. And this video is being done exactly to you to challenge a little bit more and watch all the recipe in English now, even if you are in a higher level. Okay? Let's think about the ingredients, what you need. We need butter or margarine. Okay, I do prefer butter. It tastes much better for me. Salt, okay, some pepper, okay. I prefer this kind of pepper, but you can use grounded pepper too. A lot of people use. And eggs, all right. Bread, this kind of bread that we call classic bread, classic white bread, okay. A glass, okay, because we are going to make a hole, in the bread. All right? Okay? And get your exercise that you have here. Then what we are going to do? We are going to crack the egg. Okay? Crack before to check if it's okay. All right? I'm going to put here. And put a tablespoon, okay, in a frying pan over medium heat, okay? I always check. I don't like too much. The recipe is a total tablespoon, okay? But sometimes I don't use all of it, okay? Then melt, you see, you will make a hole in a slice of bread. We are going to grill it some minutes. You see, we are going to grill. Okay. Then I check and use a little bit more of the butter. Okay. You see? You are doing it to make it brownish. Okay. We are flipping. Okay. This is flip the bread. Take a look. You can see as you need it. Okay. Okay. Then in the middle of it, we are going to put the egg. All right. Take a look. The intention is to fry. If you check if you need some more butter, you put around. Okay. And it depends on how you like your egg. If you like that the yolk, this yellow part of the bread, is liquid or not. Okay? See? I'm going to put some more butter. If you want, you can flip it too. Okay? And then it is red. Okay? Is what we call egg in a basket. You have made a basket. I'm gonna cook a little bit more. If you like it liquid, it's okay. But if you like it a little hard, then it's better to cook a little more. Okay? Oh, it's just to cook a little more. depends on what and how you prefer. It's a very traditional food, American food. Okay, here you are. Then now you can eat. Enjoy the food. Thank you very much. Fill in your exercise and any doubts, contact us. See you next time.